Good morning, Emerson. Let's start your See and Say book. Look at this. This is sun. This is a house. You like the house? Oh, you like the house? This is the sun and the house. Okay, next page. We go to cat, dog. Cat, dog. Yeah, you love the cat? Yes? It's a dog. Here, in the other page. Okay, next. There's a car and a boat. Oh, you love to ride a boat? Yeah? Yeah? You love the car? You like to ride the car? Yeah, you ride the car with daddy and mommy. Yeah. Then we can go cruising in a boat. There's a boat. Okay, so we go to the next page. There's a fish. Fish. Yeah, you want to eat fish? And this is the bee. See? Fish and bee. You like it? Then next page. The baby. Baby. And this is me. Who's that in the mirror? Who's that in the mirror? Yeah? That's Emerson. Emerson is in the mirror. Beautiful. Yeah? Who's that? You can see your face? He's a baby. Yeah. Who's that? Who's that little girl? Who's that pretty girl? Yeah. He's a baby like you.